Attorney, you mentioned the AOM a while ago, and I wanted to ask you about this kasi ito pong AOM versus yung query. Balikan lang po natin yung yesterday, nung sinabi ni Attorney Wamil, he was called doon po sa Office of the Vice President after issuing that AOM. AOM po yung parang first step, hindi ho ba? Just to simplify matters, na may problema doon sa naging liquidation. Yun yung, kumbaga, level 1 ng pagtitingin ng mga auditors. Yung ipinapatawag ho ba o pumupunta ang isang auditor sa isang government agency dahil napadalhan ng AOM, ma'am, is that regular? Is that standard sa mga auditors?
What do you mean? The auditor going to the agency or somebody from the agency going to the auditor?
Pag pinatawag po ng isang agency, kunwari, ang Office of the Vice President, pinatawag po siya at nagpunta siya doon at nag-meeting sila, yung ganun ho ba, is that regular? Just to take out any suspicion, kasi siguro gusto nila pag-usapan kung anong naging problema doon sa kanilang liquidation. Is that normal?
Actually, hindi dapat. Actually, hindi dapat, no? Pero madalas nangyayari yan, Pinky. Lalo na pag matataas na opisyal,
Okay.
tapos medyo mababa yung yung rango ng auditor, pinapatawag nila, no? And out of courtesy naman, sige, pumunta kayo at makinig kayo anong gusto nilang pag-usapan, you know? So okay lang naman yon. I mean, but in terms of propriety, if we're going to be strict about it, no, it should not happen.
Doon po din sa AOM, so sabi niya, pwede naman po patawag, especially pag matataas po yung mga ahensya ng gobyerno. Pwede ho bang hilingin na kapag nag-issue na ng AOM, ay pwedeng hilingin doon sa auditor na wag AOM, audit query na lang po?
I did not quite understand where they were coming from. Kasi ang audit query is normally yung ahensya ang nagko-query, no, doon sa COA. So, kung paano i-treat ito, anong gagawin nila sa ganitong scenario, pwede bang gawin ito, audit query yon. It's a formal letter request for guidance, no. So I don't know why pumasok yung audit query, no? Kasi kung if it were the other way around, ang tatanungin naman ng COA sa kanila? Whatever it is that they would need to ask, pwede nilang ilagay sa AOM.
I see.
Kasi precisely when the AOM will contain the findings, the initial findings in the audit, ano yung nakita nilang kakulangan,
Opo.
kung ano yung nakita nilang hindi nila maintindihan, at humihingi ng additional documents, explanation, etc.
Okay.
So, whatever it is that COA needs to ask them, for example, they can always put in the AOM. So I don't know. I mean, I did not quite get that.